Okay. So today we'll discuss page layouts and record types. Manoj, hello. వినిపిస్తలేదురా బాబు. హలో,
వినిపిస్తుందా?
రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వండి బ్రో. మరి అప్పటి నుంచి అంటున్నాను కదా.
మీరు మనోజ్ పిలుస్తున్నారేమో అనుకున్నాను.
అదే మా
వినిపిస్తుంది బ్రో.
వినిపిస్తుందా?
వినిపిస్తుంది బ్రో.
అదే ఒకసారి పిలిచినప్పుడు రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వండి.
బ్రో.
So we'll discuss about page layouts and record type. So what is a page layout? So page layout is a UI page. So generally it displays as a single page. Okay. So in Salesforce we have two types of page layouts. Okay. First one is page layout, which displays the single page layout. And second one is a flexi page, lightning record page, that is. So in the lightning record page we will have blocks, okay, not as a single page layout. I will show you after this. Okay, so for the page layout, what a page layout contains, so it contains sections, buttons, whatever buttons user want to see, and fields. So fields, whatever the fields user want to see, okay, and related records, okay, whatever the related records to that record, so it will be displayed in the page layout. We can add it in the page layout. So why we will use the page layout? So just now I said, right, so to show the relevant fields and organize the fields into sections, different sections. For example, if you take an employee, so for personal information and experience and like technical information, like we will divide into different type of sections for to see the relevant data. So we can categorize the data into the sections, so that will be feasible for the user to see. So we can grasp the data quickly by seeing the UI. Okay, for that purpose we'll use the page layout. Okay, just nothing but it is a record page, okay, used to see the record data. Okay, and so what we can control using the page layout. So if by using the page layout, control the field placement, so in which place the field should be visible, okay, and which we can arrange the fields like in the, two-way columns and single column, like and the control flow from which field to when you click the enter, when we click enter or tab, so what in which way the control should go, so we will define like that. And the buttons, related list, quick actions, you can use in the page layout. We can sort it out after which button should be displayed, like that. Okay, so what we will we can't control using the page layouts. So pick list values, so pick list values, what pick list values should be displayed in when you're clicking on pick list field. So we can't control using this page layouts. And object permissions, anyway we will control this object permission to the profiles, right? So we can't control using the page layout. And field level security also we can control. We can't control using the page layout. What we can control using the page layout is just the field is readable or and required. We can make required in the page layout, and we can make it readable in the page layout. Let's see how a page layout looks. Okay, so we'll go into talent, employee. We'll go to the employee page layout. So in setup, okay, object manager, we have to go to the object, whichever object we are using this page layout. And in the object, so there is a page layout option is there. Page layout, if you click on the page layout, So whatever the page layouts are there for that objects, it will be visible. Okay, there is one page layout for the employee. Okay, so we'll click. So this is the page layout configuration page. Okay, so there we can find fields, buttons, quick actions. Okay, so what in the if you click on the fields option, so these are the fields available for this employee object. Okay, and buttons, these are the, if you click on the buttons, so the it will be visible all the buttons which are available for this object. Okay, these are the fields are buttons are available for this object. Quick actions, you see, these are the quick actions available for this object. Okay, and mobile quick actions and lightning page. So in this page layout, so there will be separate sections for this buttons or fields, actions, and record pages, record charts, and related lists and lookups. Okay, and buttons, fields. So if we I want to drag and drop this field, so it will be dropped. See, so when I dropping up a field, so it is showing the green mark. In this section only I can able to drop this field. Okay, so I can't able to drop in the other sections. Have you observed? Hello guys, hello, hello,
Yes, Shiva.
చూస్తున్నారా లేదా?
చూస్తున్నాను.
రిప్లై ఇవ్వండి అబ్బా అడిగితే. Okay, so like this we can drag and drop the fields. Okay, so here in the fields, okay, using this page layouts we can see, we can make it a field read only and required. Okay, the required is not visible because it is a system field. Record type is a system field, record type ID. Okay, that's why it is not visible. Okay, the not it has been hidden. Okay, required has been hidden, so I can make it is
Shiva, మీ
వాయిస్ సరిగ్గా వస్తలేదా?
రావట్లేదు, బ్రేక్ వస్తుంది, బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది.
1 minute. Now is it good? Hello.
Yes,
Yes, Shiva.
Okay. So using page, using page layouts, 1 minute. So using page layouts, we can control the field read or visible, not visibility, only read only or editable. Okay, and we can control is it required or not required. Okay, so let me show you. I can make this field as required. Okay, and salary field as read only. Sorry, commission field as read only. It is already read only. Okay, account as page. So it is formula field. Can make it. Age is a formula field actually. So can you tell me, any one of you, how why this is inactive? Let's read only one. Hello. 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 Guys. Hello. Hello.
Hello, bro.
Can you tell me any one of this why this is inactive?
There.
చెప్పండి మీరు అట్లా సైలెంట్ గా ఉంటే కుదరదు.
Read only.
ఎందుకు రీడ్ ఓన్లీ ఉంది ఇది? వై దిస్ ఇస్ రీడ్ ఓన్లీ అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఇన్యాక్టివ్? ఆల్రెడీ మీకు అయ్యింది, ఈ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లోనే చెప్పాడు ఇలా. Why this is inactive means it is a formula field. Okay, so that's why it is read only from the starting onwards.
Read only.
Yeah, by default it is read only. That's why we can't able to tick. Okay, and why this is required is inactive? Because it is a formula field.
Break అవుతుంది.
ఇంకా బ్రేక్ అవుతుందా?
Yes, yes.
నెట్వర్క్ కూడా కరెక్ట్గా ఉంది. అందరికి అలానే వస్తుందా లేకపోతే మీకు ఒకటేనా? ఓకే, so this is a formula field. That's why it is, we can't make it as required because it populates itself. Okay, and how to make a section in the page layout? So when we drag and drop, this section option is there, right? So it will creates a new section. See, so when we drag and drop this section option, it asks for the section name. Okay, so experience details we will put details. So it asks, is it a detail page or edit page? What is mean by detail page and edit page? Okay, detailed page is a display page. Okay, it displays the fields of the record. Edit page means, so when you click on the edit, it displays the pencil icons. Okay, that is an edit page. Okay, have you understood, guys? Hello. Hello. Okay, so it asking for the layout and also.
Okay, bro.
Okay, it asks for the layout, and it is asking a single column layout or double column layout. See, now we are using a double column layout, and it is tab order. It is asking for the tab order. When we click on the tab, in which flow it should flow. Okay. So when when we click on the last field, so the control will go to the first left field. Okay, and for the second option, top down approach. So okay, when you click on the tab on the first field, so it will goes to the second below second field, and then it goes to the third field. Okay, like that it will go when you click on the tab. Okay, so see here, a new section is created with the experience details. So we can drag and drop of some fields from here. For example, commission, or there is no fields related to the experience as of now. So just I am showing you with the existing fields. Okay, so like that we can create a sections in the page layout. Okay, so a blank space. Blank space is to create a blank. Okay, blank space. See here, it is created a blank space. There is nothing but in the no field is there in the this space. It shows a gap like a break. Okay, let me save this. Let's see in the UI how it will appear. Let me see here. See, experience details. It shows commission information and record type. So because there is no section is displayed for this, the below items, it is simply displayed under the employee by default under the experience details section. So see here, we have drag and drop the empty space here. That's why there is a gap between these fields. Okay,
Okay.
have you observed? Oh. Let me go to again to the page layout. Object manager, employee, employee, I need to select the page layout. There it is, page. Okay, so here, so for the buttons, let me see the button. So this is a submit for approval button. Let's show you. So where we can drop this? There is a employee details button, standard buttons. So see here. So it is showing standard button and custom button. Because it is a standard button, see, so it is a standard button, so it is dropped in the standard button section only. Here it is, you can show custom buttons. So when we create a button, custom buttons using LWC or components or flows, so we can drag and drop here at the custom button section. Okay, let me save. And lightning quick actions. Lightning quick actions. These are the quick actions. Let me show you dropping down one quick action. Okay. So this is a page layout, right? That's why these quick actions are not supported. It will be supported in the lightning record page. These ones, like quick actions. Okay, and mobile quick actions also. These are supported in the lightning record page. Lookups. These are the related lists actually. This one is related list. Approval history, you can drag and drop it. Expanded lookups. This is also not supported in the record page. Okay. And reported charts. If you want to include the charts and screen flows, we can. I think it is also not supported in this. Okay. So simply, what we can do with the page layout? Can anyone of you tell me? Hello. See, submit for approval button. We added. Okay. So can any one of you tell me what we can do with the page layouts? Hello.
We can edit the standard button.
No. Just we can decide the field place and we can create the sections. We can add a buttons, not edit. We can add a button to the page or quick action to the page. Okay. A standard custom buttons to a page. We can add related list to a page. Okay. And what we cannot do, we cannot control the pick list values, and we cannot control the object permission and field level security. Field level security and object permission will know in the next classes. Okay. And what we can do, field visibility, whether the field is read only at the record level. We can made it read only are required, right? Using that. C, which we made required at the field level, the record type level. this page layout level. Okay. So guys, reply me.
Okay, bro.
So what we can do with the page layouts?
You can related list. You can
We can add the related list.
sessions.
We can add the button.
Field
We can add the
visibility.
sections. Okay. We can decide the place field placement. We can control the visibility of the field, whether it is required or read only. Okay. Have you understood this concept?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. There is a business scenario. We'll do it. Okay. So we should create. So we need to create 3 page layouts. Okay. Okay. So we'll create one new page layout for this employee layout. So to create a page layout, we have to click on the new button. Okay. So the existing page layout is employee page layout. Okay. So existing page layout, I'm selecting none, and I will create a page layout for interns. Okay. Interns. See. So this is the intern page layout. So for intern page layout, so just I added gender, account, and email. Okay. So there are some fields, employee name, intern page layout. So we'll add name and fields. Okay. So we'll add age. So I will create a section first. Okay. First I will create a section. Okay. What is the section name? Personal info. Okay. So I have to display the 2 columns, and I need left to right tab order. Okay. I created a personal info. So what is mean by personal info? Name. Okay. And gender and email. This will be contact. Will go into contact info. Age. Okay. Date of birth. I need date of birth and age side by side. Okay. And marital status here. Employee ID. Okay. Marital status, employee ID, and age. Age is side by side. I need. And account. I'll edit this one field. So just a general info. Let's say so professional info. Okay, it should be detailed and editable. Okay. Professional info, account mail, and commission. Hobbies, maybe personal info. Go to personal info, and this is mentor. And salary will be professional one. And contact will be and system info. I need one more section, system info. in the system info, okay, in the system info I need created by, last modified by, and the record type. I need a record type. Right? Yeah. And commission information. Commission. So I created one employee. Page layout assignment. So I created a page layout. I didn't assign to anyone. Okay. Edit assignments. So in the edit assignments, we need to assign administrator and standard user. Okay. For which record type we need to mention. There is employee record type is there and intern employee record type is there. So we are created for an intern, right? So we need to edit for the interns. So I selected that. Okay, and I need to select the page layout also. So I selected page layout and selected which profile and which record type I need to apply this page layout. Okay, so save. So it got see. Let's see, cross check that. See here, standard user and system administrator. So for the record type, intern employee, I use the intern page layout which I created. Okay, let me create an employee. Okay, let me create an employee, new employee, intern employee, new intern employee. Okay, Shiva. Resume. Okay, they will be anyone. Did you tried all of the all field types while creating the object and adding the fields? Guys, respond when I am asking one thing. So you should say yes or no, right? To see. So we have created a personal info page layout page section. So in the first in that section, whatever the fields we added is asking for the same fields data. And in the professional info section, whatever the fields we have added, for that fields only it is asking the data. And in the system info, we have added three fields: last modified by, created by, and record type. So these two fields are not displaying. Why? Last modified by and created by. Can you, any one of you tell me? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
So those two fields are not displaying to me. Why? These are the general questions, guys. Any one of you might ask in the company when you are sharing and when you are creating a record. That's why I'm asking. So the record is not created yet. Just we are filling the form to create the record. Okay, that's why
Okay.
the last modified by and created by is not generated yet. When I click on the save, it will duplicate email. Okay, let me change the email. So let's see, created by Shiva Vadla and the date and time, and whatever that we added in the system info section, so the T fields are there. This is a change record type. Okay,
Okay, bro.
have you understood the page layout concept? Hello.
Yeah, bro. Once we come to build them.
Okay. So we are created for the intern employee page layout. Okay, you can try for the contract employee layout. So you can create some fields like that. Okay, employee name, employee salary, prohibition period, benefits and bank details and stipend, college name. Like that, you can create some fields and you can add it in the create 3 employee types: full name, full-time employee, and intern employee, and contract employee. Okay, you can add it to this page layouts: full-time employee and intern employee and contract employee. Whatever the fields are visible, you can add it to the layout, and whatever the fields are displayed blank, you can skip. Okay.
Okay.
So can we discuss the record types, or it is enough for the day?
Bro, enough, bro. Once we will practice this one.
Okay, guys, I have one thing I'm saying: you should practice. Then only you can grasp the things. Otherwise, you may end up with nothing. That's why. I think I can see Narsa only. Other where are other two? Because I am asking the questions in between, so they are left out. Okay, Narsa, I will stop the session today and practice. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.